Hello and welcome. If you are a Stima Sacco member, I'm going to show you one of the hassle-free ways you can apply for Mpawa loans using the Stima Sacco Internet Banking. By the way, this is one of the best methods you can use to interact with Stima Sacco and perform various activities on your account. So the first thing you need to do is go to Stima Sacco official website. Here it is. And then head down to Internet Banking section, which is this, and click on it. Now, if you already have an account with Stima Sacco Internet Banking, you'll just need to go ahead, enter your member number, and then the password and log in. However, if you are new to this platform, you can go ahead and do self-registration. What you'll need to provide is your member number, your phone details, and then create a password that you'll use. Once you're done, go ahead and log in with the credentials. And here you'll receive a one-time password that will be sent to your phone. Use it to log in. Now, once you are logged into your account, there are so many things you can do, such as checking your statements, also checking your loan balance, as well as checking your account balances for various accounts such as Prime, Alpha Deposit, as well as your shares. And the good thing is all this is for free. Not even a single shilling will be deducted from your account or from your Prime account. So we are interested in applying Mpawa loans. So once you are in account, to apply your Mpawa loan, just head to loans and click on it. And from here, you can see various loan products that are available with Stima Sacco. And from this list, you can see you can request loan, you can get the loan summary, you can calculate the loan, you can as well repay the loan, and finally, you can get an Mpawa loan top up if you already have an active loan. We are interested in loan requests. Remember, Mpawa loan is a loan that you can apply via your mobile, and you don't need to go to the banking halls to get this loan products. So you can see now we have Mpawa loan here. We also have dividend discounting as well as area service loan. So we are interested in Mpawa loan. So I'll click on it. Here we are told the loan is instant, and therefore what we need to do is just to enter a number that will receive the loan. Of course, this is the Prime account, and then the months, and then the repayment period. Now you need to know that Stima Sacco usually offers up to 6 months repayment period for all their Mpawa loans. And then here's the amount. First, we need to select the account that will receive the amount. In this case, just select the Prime account, which is the only option available. And for the duration we want to repay the loan, go ahead and select up to a maximum of 6 months. So let me say 3 months. And give it a moment for it to calculate the amount that you are eligible. So for my case, I'm eligible to apply up to 50,000. Just go ahead and enter the amount that you wish to apply. And once you are done, go and click on submit. You will again receive a confirmation code on your SMS to confirm your application, and then enter it to finalize the process by following these simple steps. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.